In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the page numbering controls, how to apply them, and what to expect once they're turned on. First, head to your DocHub dashboard. Open an existing document you want to work with, or upload a new file if you haven't added it yet. Once your document is open, look to the left side of the screen for the Page Thumbnails panel. If you don't see it, open the Page Controls. This is often the little grid of 9 dots on the left. That panel is your map of the document, and it's where DocHub displays page numbers as labels. Here's an important note before we proceed. In DocHub, page numbers are not stamped directly onto the page content. Instead, they appear in the sidebar next to each page thumbnail. Think of them as a navigation guide to help you keep track of your place. If you're expecting printed numbers on the page itself, that's not what this feature does. To turn on the labels, right-click on any page in the left sidebar. That brings up a context menu. Choose Page Numbers and Labeling. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works the same as a right-click. Once the labeling panel is open, you can configure your preferences. You'll see options to switch how pages are labeled: standard numbers, Roman numerals, or letters. Pick the style that fits your needs. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the labels change in the sidebar, so you can immediately confirm that the format looks right for your document. Take a moment to scroll through the thumbnails and make sure the sequence is consistent. This is especially helpful if your file has sections that start at different points, or if you're coordinating with others who refer to pages by different systems. If you change your mind, simply right-click again, open Page Numbers and Labeling, and adjust the format. You can switch between numbers, Roman numerals, and letters at any time. Remember, these labels are there to make navigation clearer while you're working in DocHub. They won't appear when you print or export the document as part of the page content. If you're sharing the document with teammates, let them know that the numbering they see is a sidebar guide. That's it. Open your document, reveal the page controls, right-click a page, choose Page Numbers and Labeling, and set the format you prefer. With those labels in place, navigating long PDFs in DocHub becomes quicker, more organized, and far less error-prone.